Hey guys, it's Courtney back with another video. Today we're going to talk about a site called Rewarding Ways. If you're interested in signing up for this site, the link will be down in the description for you to receive a bonus when you sign up. Today I'm going to show you how this site works, how you can use it daily to make money, and I'm also going to do a cash out. So my cash balance is $1.24. I have 0 points because I just converted them. My total paid was $48.38. I have 75 referrals, but you see that they're not doing anything. My referral earnings, I've earned $1.72. All right. These are the news and updates. This is the shout box. You can see what everybody's completing to get points. And then we have the tabs that say earn money, offer walls, referrals, contest, or rewards. Okay. So if you click on earn money, you see popular surveys, daily paid surveys, your surveys, revenue surveys, CPX surveys, BitLabs, Theorem, Capital, Opinion Capital, Say So surveys, live paid surveys, Ad Gym, and One Ads. Okay. I personally do not do surveys. I get disqualified and I get frustrated. So what I focus on is Peanut Lab offers, AdGate, Offer Toro, Ascend Media, Revenue Universe, and Engage Videos. You can also do worldwide offers if you want. There is an offer if you go to popular surveys. This is usually the only survey I do. It's Reward TV. If you have this available, I suggest you do it. It's 26 cents. You only need $1 on this site to cash out. Referrals. Here's your referral links and banners. Like I said, mine will be in the description. I have 75 referrals and I can email my referrals. Contest. They have $1,000 cash contest and they show you previous winners. Rewards. You can see your account balances, but you can withdraw. You can revert your cash into points if you want gift cards, and payment proof. Okay. And then help is the FAQ, the quick help guide, the support tickets, and the testimonials. I really like this site, guys. It pays out. I just try to use this site and make $1 a day. That's it. If I make over, great. So we're going to go ahead and do the cash out for Rewarding Ways. The site is pretty self-explanatory. Once you get a routine on one site, you can just go ahead and make the site rinse and repeat. Okay. There is a 2% fee. They can take that. You do one withdrawal per day up to $50. So I'm going to do instant PayPal. Withdraw that. It says success. It's added to the pending list. So when we go back home, you'll see my cash balance is 0, my points balance is 0, and my total paid is $49.59. Okay. So these referrals really don't matter, guys, because if they're not doing anything, all you need to worry about is making money for you and your family. You can use this money for gas, for groceries, to pay Netflix, to go out to eat, to pay credit cards down, whatever it is. Make sure you use this daily, this site. And like I said, the link's down in the description. I just wanted to go over it with you guys real quick. Make sure you click on the link below to get a bonus. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. The last time I looked, I'm at 524 subscribers. We're on our way to 1,000. So if you like videos like this, please comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification so you get notified when I release a new video every day. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Hope you have a wonderful night.